You've just got to applaud Manchester United's business in the summer. You see this Man United team, it's just a little thing that have changed them this season. A little thing. And that little thing is none other than Bryan Mbeumo and Kuya. Absolutely majestic. Watching these guys play football makes me happy. It gives you joy. And you don't even have to be a Man United fan to appreciate it. Especially Bryan Mbeumo. Bryan Mbeumo. This guy gives me prime Mo Salah vibes. That is what he gives to me. Whenever I watch him play for Man United, he gives me that prime Mo Salah vibes. No time to waste time. You give him the ball, he puts it in the back of the net. No tricks, no gimmicks. That is what Bryan Mbeumo is all about. And as for Cunha, congratulations for getting your first goal for Man United. We saw how hard you tried to get that goal. And today you got it. Congratulations, man. Many more goals to come.